Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to connect Namecheap domain to Bluehost. So let's get started. First of all, you need to log into your Namecheap, go to domain list and you will end up over here. The first thing you need to do, you need to change the name servers of Namecheap domain. So you can see we have name servers over here. Click on this, go to custom DNS and you can change that from over here. What you are going to write, you are going to write nsbluehost.com, ns2bluehost.com. So this is how it looks like. Once you do that, just click on save. After doing that, go to your Bluehost domain, click on start transfer in. So you are going to write your domain name over here. First, we did connect our Namecheap domain to Bluehost by entering the name servers of Bluehost. Now we are going to tell our account which domain we are going to talk about. So we are going to paste our domain over here, whichever you had in your Namecheap account. Once you paste that, click on submit and that domain name will be transferred also over here. So that's it. This is all you need to know how to connect Namecheap domain to Bluehost. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.